Interesting development. So we have this deluxe SUV. I can't make out what it is. I think it's a Ford. Stuck in the snow, and then we have a quad, an all-terrain vehicle with a plow hooked up to it, about to push it out. It was pushing it before. Unfortunately, I didn't have access to my phone to capture the initial encounter. But it went up behind the SUV and was trying to push it out. Interesting. Now, I would go out and help, folks, but I blew my back out last week. I'm in a lot of pain, so I can't help. But just fascinating here. Look at the teamwork. I've never seen so much kindness here in Rentler in my life. Now, I don't know if these people are related, if they're strangers, but look at this. This is great. There's another SUV lumbering down the road, and another truck. So, wow, lots of people are moving, man. Activity is becoming more fluid here. So let's see if they can get this big vehicle out of the snow. This is fascinating here. Some people just love to be out on the road. So let's see. Let's see if they can do it, man. I think they can do it. I'm rooting for them, let me tell you. Let's see if the ATV is going to go behind the vehicle again. Here we go. Here we go. Look out for the truck, dude. Woo! You know what I'm saying? That was almost a disaster there. But as you can see, those wheels are spinning. Those front wheels are spinning. That SUV's pretty stuck, man. People kind of get some beer goggles, you know, with these SUVs, man. They think they could go through anything. So we'll see what happens here. I hope we see quick, because my shoulder's freaking dying. All right, hold on. I got to switch arms. And now it's focusing on the snowflakes on the window, so I apologize, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Look at this. Come on, dude. Do it. You can do it. Come on, man. This is high drama at its finest. It's going to help it shovel. Boy, oh boy, this is a full-scale operation here. Again, I'd help, but I blew my back out in a Magic the Gathering tournament. There was some controversy, and, you know, some things happened that I'd rather not get into. All right. Let's see. See if we can do it here. I am rooting for you guys. Come on. Good God. Boy, this is pretty elaborate here. Raw footage, folks. I like to record raw footage. No editing here. No trick photography. You know what I'm saying? That's why I do it. Not because I'm lazy. All right. Let's see. Here we go. All right. He's about to enter the cockpit of this vehicle. Let's see the guy behind him. Guy behind him in the ATV. Let's see if it's necessary. Yeah. Oh, got it. Got it. Oh my Lord, let's see if does he make it up the road. He made it up the road, folks. All right.